arrived at example 3. This one includes solving proportions using mental math. Kind of weird though, the very first instruction says, in example 1, how many tomatoes are in the new recipe? That means I need to go back to video 1 so that I can get my information. So let me do that real quick. There we go. So recall that we had 1.5 cups of black beans over 1 tomato is equal to 6 cups of black beans over how many tomatoes? So I want you to take a look at both the top numerators and the bottom denominators and decide which one has numbers and not any letters, which would be the top. So we see the numbers 1.5 and 6. So what we need to think is, what is the product of 1.5 and a number? The product of 1.5 and what number is equal to 6? Or you could think of it as 6 divided by 1.5. You might not know off the top of your head. You might need to use a calculator, and that's completely okay. But I just happen to know that it is 4. So we know that to go 1.5 times 4 to get to 6, that means we also need to multiply the denominator by 4. So I'm going to multiply 1 tomato times 4, which is going to give me x is equal to 4 tomatoes. There we go. So I would like you to try this last question on your own. A school has 950 students. The ratio of female students to all students is this fraction 48 over 95. You are going to write and solve a proportion. So you're going to take two ratios and set them equal to each other to find the number F of students who are female. So the F is representing female students. And remember that that original ratio was female students to all students was 48 to 95. So I can't wait to see how you guys do, and I wish you luck. Make sure you ask your teachers if you have any questions.